Right, in this video, what to do with stuck nuts. In particular, I want to change the tracking slightly on this Ford Focus, and notice this has been driven quite a few many miles already, but there's no rust on it, so the quality of the things, such as the nuts on the tracking arm, is good. So I don't want to swap it for a rubbish one, but then again, there's just enough left on there for me to tighten it to do the job. So if you can't get the small, if something is small attached to the big thing, can't get the small thing off the big thing, get the big thing off the small thing. What I'm going to try and do is take this arm, this off, and twist this one instead. If I twist it this way, that'll be the same as twisting that one the other way. So WD-40 there anyway. What I'm going to have to do is also, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a way of twisting it quite hard this way. But before that, there's a flat bit here and here, and that might do, because that nut's had it. So before that, I need to WD-40 off. And probably I'm going to turn the steering so it's the back end's out. Undo the nut until it's flush with the top of the screw. I need something to press it down with. Let's see. For this particular job, you need a couple of hammers. You need a heavy dead hammer. I notice it. But you need ear defenders. Couple of whacks. I'm trying this tool. I greased up the forks. I need the like a rubber mallet now, just to get it underneath and not to bash in the rubber. Better. Oh, that's nicely. Just about the top. 19mm on here. So before 19. It's quite tight. Okay. So we expect. So I pushed on here. Didn't knack up the thread or anything. It went bank, and that's pretty normal. That's broken it. So if it doesn't come out, unscrew it a bit more and press it down a bit more. But it's done its job. There's a hex screw at the top. So it needs one of them in there. It kept spinning otherwise. Because I've got to go against the nylon. Years ago I would have seen that and thought, oh right. Just kept on spinning and go, oh, it's not working. Yeah, you learn over time how to do these things. A good idea to count the threads as well. What I can visibly see. That's off, nice. When I was counting the grooves, I counted nearly 12. Watch as I turn this. Notice this arm turns, which is a good sign. If that was tight, and it feels the same both ways. If it was tight, that means you might be unscrewing the inner tracking arm from the wherever it is, the actuator. It feels the same, so you're not unscrewing anything. But saying that though, I mean, I'm going to find, next picture you'll see me clamping all these down, finding a way to clamp it down, and I'll be turning this one here. There's a big flat part there, a big flat part on the lower part as well. And I'll get more leverage. I don't want to press on this ball. No, I don't want to press on the ball. Alright. Get everything out of the way. Break it up with heavy brick. I've got something to wedge against. 2 large channel locks. And these should and set the clamp down. I need a bit of leverage. This is where I'm going to get my leverage here. See it just pop off in a second. And hold it tight as anything. Very tight. More flat top, or flat top's better. Flatten end. Channel locks are helping. I would have never got that off. Look how much proportion bought. Oh Jesus, broke it. Oh, you see that? That nut would have never come off. So, done a full turn, right? Okay. Question being, I'm going to wind it back up, believe it or not, and then a spanner there to break that. Well, where have I got the spanner in there? Oh, still like that. Let's try that again. So I've broken it, some of it, and wind it back up, and so I can unwind. Remember, I've turned it 3/4 turn already, so I can spin it around like that. 11.5. Remember, it was 11, nearly 12. So these trusted flat ones again. So I'm trying to break against the stupid nut that's stuck to begin with. Not a good angle. Okay, holy mackerel. Alright, that's how you get. So now I can use this as normal. Oh my word. Okay, just set it all back up like how it was. I can't remember. If I spin around until I see 11.5 threads and then do my tracking. Perseverance. Right, so I've set that all back up, 11 and nearly 12 grooves. This is pointing vertically. I didn't even take that clip off. No. So I need now to do the adjustment. Now, see a separate video that I've done to do with tracking. So I need to turn this in a quarter turn in. So this puggy thing there, this tape, tells me what's pointing straight up, and that's bang on where I left it last time. Right, so quarter turn in, simple as that. And I'll be turning it on here and keeping this straight. I'll undo this a bit, of course, otherwise it won't work. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Any comments? Notice these Ford genuine 4 parts, they stay pretty good, don't they? But it's wearing out. I think I could swap it for a new one, but I don't think I will, because those ones will rust. I'm just going to put it on not that tight anyway. Right, hit the like button, make a comment if you want to make a comment. Thanks for